Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ramen. First, gather your instant ramen, water, and any extra ingredients like an egg or vegetables. Next, select a pot that is appropriately sized for your noodles and the amount of water needed. Always check the ramen package for specific instructions on water quantity and recommended cooking duration. This ensures your ramen cooks perfectly every time, achieving the best flavor and texture. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the ramen noodles to the pot. Use chopsticks or a fork to gently separate the noodle block as it softens. This helps them cook evenly and prevents sticking. Be sure to follow the package's recommended cooking time, typically around 2 to 3 minutes for ideal noodle texture. Overcooking can make them mushy, so keep a close eye on them. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling fresh and clean. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After the noodles are perfectly cooked, remove the pot from the heat and stir in the included seasoning packets. Mix thoroughly to ensure the flavor is evenly distributed throughout the broth. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, like a perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg, some fresh green onions, or a sheet of nori. Transfer your delicious ramen to a bowl and enjoy it while it's hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.